Are you a coach and are you looking to add YouTube to your marketing mix, or are you already on YouTube but do you want to learn how to effectively grow your channel, or how to maybe even add paid YouTube advertising to your marketing toolbox? And this is the video for you, because today we're tackling YouTube marketing for coaches in 2022. So let's get to it. Hi and welcome if you're new here. My name is Yoka. I am the founder of Unbound Creative Agency, where we help entrepreneurs like yourself build lead generating personal brands and YouTube channels specifically. So if that's something that you want to learn more about, if you want to scale your coaching business through YouTube, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get updates on all our future videos. And then without further ado, let's get started with the topic of today: YouTube marketing for coaches in 2022 or 2023 by the time that you get to see this video, because I am recording this in the middle of June 2022. Let's get to it. Let's start off by looking at organic YouTube marketing, because I believe that's where everyone should start. And then paid advertising is something that we can introduce into your business later on. And we'll take a look at that at the end of the video as well. So why do you want to start off with organic YouTube marketing? So it is because you can leverage the YouTube search algorithm in your favor. So YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. So first we have Google, and then we have YouTube. And ironically, YouTube is owned by Google. So people come to YouTube for one of two reasons: either to be entertained or to be educated. So as a coach, you want to play on that educational content where you basically answer people's questions related to your area of expertise and to the questions that they type into the search box. So as you notice, every time I'm talking, I'm also mentioning that you're creating content around what people are searching for. So this is a little bit of reverse engineering way of creating content, where most people create content and then post it and hope for the best. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually analyze the search data of our ideal client, our ideal customer, and then around the topics that are searched a lot, we're going to create content and we're going to optimize it for the search results. Now, Yoka, how do I do that? I can hear you ask the question. You do that by using a couple of third-party apps. So what we use is Keywords Everywhere and TubeBuddy. And there are already a bunch of videos on our channel on how you can do keyword research and optimize your videos for the search results. So I'll just link them up here. I'm not going to go too in-depth on that today, but I want to tell you that there are tools that will allow you to see how often specific terms are searched for on YouTube, how much competition there is on those terms, how you can optimize that YouTube title to rank in the search results, etc. And so by leveraging those tools, you're going to get an entire list of content ideas that you can then go and create videos about. And then you come back, and when you upload them to YouTube, you're going to optimize your videos for the search results. So if you're a coach, and let's say that you are a relationship coach or you do anything around attachment styles, you would be able to then go and research those topics in TubeBuddy and Keywords Everywhere. You can find the keywords that are performing well without having too much competition, and then you create content around that, videos around that. You go back to YouTube, upload them, you can optimize them so that your videos show up in the search results, and it's a very natural and organic way for people to find you. They will click through to go to your channel, binge watch your content, and then eventually either leave their email for a free opt-in, or they will book a call for your one-on-one services as a coach. The crucial part of doing YouTube organic the right way, especially when you're just starting out, is really finding those topics that are searched enough without having too much competition. So there's a fine line there. If you immediately go for the keywords that are searched thousands of times a month, you're probably not going to rank for those because there are millions of other videos in competition. So it's really about finding that fine balance of, oh, this topic is searched enough that over time it will amass views, not maybe in the first month or second month, but over time, slowly and steadily, it will amass views, because the keywords that aren't searched that much often have lower competition. So that's something to keep in mind when you're first starting out on YouTube. As your channel grows, you can of course go for those bigger keywords. If you want to know how we generated over 200 million in sales for our clients last year alone, all through organic, there is a link in the description down below where you can sign up to free training where we explain how we leverage YouTube organic and repurposing and content systems and virtual assistants to generate high ticket sales every single day for our clients. You can watch the training and implement it into your business. There is no commitment to that free training. If after the free training you want more help, of course we're here, but you can watch the free training completely on your own terms and implement it in your business as you go. So check out that link in the description down below. So if you're a coach and your YouTube organic is working relatively well, you have proven that your offer is a good product market fit, people are buying this, people are signing up for your coaching, people are signing up for your course, then YouTube paid advertising is something that you can use to supplement that. So it is a very, very powerful tool, especially like I said, because people come to YouTube either to be entertained or educated. So imagine that someone came to the platform to be educated on a certain topic and that you can then push your ad in front of that person and that it is something relevant to what they're already searching. So you can push ads to people based on their search history or specific keywords that they're searching. You can target them based on their demographics, where they're from, age, location, educational background, gender, etc., interests. But you can also, and this is something that I really like, target them specifically on what video they're viewing. So let's say that you are a dating coach. Now imagine that you can put your ads for your program or your free opt-in in front of some really popular dating coaches videos on YouTube. You can assume that whoever clicked to watch that video on a specific dating related issue, it's becoming apparently clear that I'm not a dating coach while I'm recording this. But imagine that your ad could then run in front of that video that people want to watch. And if that is, again, something relevant to the question that they want answered, then that is the perfect placement for your advertising. Again, I would only run advertising once you have proven that your offer works, that people are willing to opt into it, that people are willing to buy your offer in an organic setting, and then use advertising dollars to sort of rack up the amount of people that sign up for it. Again, if you want the help from our team, if you're like, hey, Yoka, I just want your team to do this for me, there is a link in the description down below where you can book a call. It's a completely free call. Let's see for a good match to work with. If not, then not, and then we just have a lovely chat. So if you want that, there is a link in the description down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so that we know that we should create more content like this. And then in the meantime, check out these videos over here, and then I will see you next time.